OrganoGold has actually put together 8 different ways to earn income. You know, every time you acquire a customer and they consume coffee, every time a sachet is given out, every time you're sampling people, money can actually be earned by you and your team. Let's talk about those 8 ways of earning income. The first one is what we call retail. Retail is very, very simple. It means that the difference between the wholesale cost and the retail cost that you actually charge your customer is going to be your profit. What we find is that most people make anywhere between 50% and some go as much as 500%, and we've seen instances of people actually earning more. Let me give you an example. A box of our black coffee has 30 sachets. It's $17 in North America. Most distributors actually will sell it for about $34, giving them 100% markup. You know, being in the industry of network marketing myself for over 23 years, I have never experienced those types of retail profits that customers never complained about. Again, I credit Starbucks with making it acceptable for people to pay $4 and $5 a cup. And so when we ask them for $1.15 a cup, it's a no-brainer. You know, we've got people who do trade shows and they go out and they sell coffee at any type of event that you want to go to. See, you don't have to go to a specific theme of a trade show. Why? Because we already know that 7 out of every 10 people, no matter where you are, they want to drink some coffee. We've had people to sell it by the cup, and they actually sell small cups for $2.50, and sometimes sell large cups of coffee for as much as $5 a cup, giving them sometimes up to 1,000% markup. You know, ladies and gentlemen, retail is the foundation of OrganoGold's business, and every single time you go out and you get a customer who drinks the OrganoGold coffee, that's retail profits back to you. So that first way of making money is retail. The second way to earn income in OrganoGold's compensation plan is fast-track bonuses. When you enroll a distributor, they'll actually purchase a distributor kit. And then you have the option of selling them one of 3 different promotional packages that we currently offer. One is the bronze pack, the silver, and the gold pack. And when you do that, you'll earn up to $150 for every person that you personally enroll. The beauty is there's no limit to how many people you can enroll, which means there's no limit to how many fast-track bonuses you can earn. The third way you earn income in OrganoGold's compensation plan is what we call the dual team. The dual team is absolutely powerful. I want to give you an example of why so many people are attracted to the dual team. Typically in your multi-level marketing companies, what you'll do is you will enroll, and then every single person that you know that you enroll, you will actually line them up side by side, whereas they compete and they don't help each other. And what happens is your ability to succeed is based off of each person's ability to duplicate exactly what you just did. Well, we already know that the average person in the industry of networking only sponsors 2.7 people. And so when it's required that you sponsor 10, 15, and 20, what most people do is they actually stop and fail before they actually get started. OrganoGold's dual team structure has made it so simple. You only have to build 2 teams, 1 team to your left and 1 team to your right. Let me give you an example of how to qualify for dual team commissions. Your first person that you enroll on your left, your second person you enroll on your right, and guess what? You are now qualified for dual team commissions all the way through infinity. What happens in the dual team is that the computer will take a snapshot every week of all of the dual team volume that comes in from your left team and from your right team. Now remember, some of these people that will be on your team possibly could come from people who are above you, people that you don't even know, and it doesn't matter. But every time coffee sales actually generate down through your left team and your right team, the computer will actually track it all. On Sunday night at the end of the week, the computer will take that snapshot, look at what's the smallest team. It'll take that volume. It'll take a snapshot and pay you up to 10% on that volume. But it will also come back on the other team, take that same matching volume, and pay up to another 10%. Ladies and gentlemen, when you look at it, it's equivalent to 20% of the lesser team. Now, I know when you hear the word to infinity, you've probably heard you can't pay to infinity. And you say, how in the world can OrganoGold do it? Well, ladies and gentlemen, our calculations go through infinity, but we've also put in some things to make sure that our company stays profitable and you still remain to have a strong opportunity. When you become a marketing associate, you know what? You can earn up to $500 per week. When you become a supervisor, you can earn up to $1,000 per week. When you become a consultant, you can earn up to $1,500 per week. You know what? Our promotion right now, what we call the gold packet, qualifies you based on that volume to start earning commissions in a dual team as much as $2,500 per week. As a sapphire consultant, you can earn up to $5,000 per week. As a Ruby consultant in Organo Gold, you can earn up to $10,000 per week. Emerald, $15,000, and Diamond, you can earn up to $20,000 per week. Now for our elite program, for those of you who really want to build a large organization and look at Organo Gold as a career, there's larger earnings that are available as well in the dual team, as much as $75,000 per week. The next segment of compensation in Organo Gold has to do with incomes number 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's residual income. You know, my question for you is this: how would you like to go to sleep at night, wake up and know for a fact that you've actually earned money while you were sleeping? How would you like to go on long vacations and come back and knowing for a fact that you've got a check that's in the mail and you actually didn't do any work while you were on vacation to earn it? Well, residual income is that component that makes it happen. You know, coffee is the best product that's ever been designed for residual income. Why? Because people drink it every single day, 3 to 5 times a day, and they never have to be reminded. When you go out and build an organization in Organo Gold, and you build that organization with customers attached to it, as people reorder product and reorder coffee every single month, commission checks actually can come right back to you. First, through our uni-level commissions. As deep as 9 levels, you can receive checks. That means that people that you don't even know, people 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, as deep as 9 levels away from you, and all of their customers you can receive income on. You know, income number 5 is what we call our matching bonus. That means that any person that you've enrolled, when they receive a uni-level commission, which is based off of their reorders as well, you can earn a commission on it, a matching bonus, as deep as 4 levels of matching bonuses. You know, income number 6 is what we call our generational bonuses. This generational bonus is really designed for those who want to be leaders and those who want to develop leaders. You know, one of the things in network marketing that we always talk about is leadership. And Organo Gold actually rewards you for developing other profitable leaders in your organization. When you achieve the level of Sapphire above in Organo Gold, you now qualify for generational bonuses. This is how they work. At the Sapphire level, your first generation, you'll get paid 2% on all of their reorder volume. When you become a Ruby consultant in our company, you'll get your second generation, which is 3% of all of their volume. When you become an Emerald in Organo Gold, you'll actually get your third generation, which is 4%. And when you become a Diamond in Organo Gold, you'll receive that fourth generation of 5% of all of that reorder volume on any Sapphire or above. You know, ladies and gentlemen, you may not even understand any of those. All I can tell you is this: people drink coffee and they drink it every single day. And Organo Gold has put together the compensation plan to pay you. You know, one of the other incomes that we have is a global bonus pool. My question for you is this: do you know somebody who lives in Mexico? Do you know somebody who lives in Europe? Do you know somebody who lives over in Peru? Do you know anybody who lives in any of the countries that we're participating? Even if you don't know, when you become a Ruby consultant, that means that your business has generated about $40,000 in total coffee sales for the month. You actually can qualify now to participate in a 3% global bonus pool. Organo Gold has reserved 3% of all reorders or all uni-level volume, and what we do every single month is we divide it all up and we actually allow you to start earning shares. To me, it's equivalent of becoming a shareholder in a company that is growing extremely fast. All of those are residual incomes, but you know what? Let me give you the icing on the cake. Income number 8 in Organo Gold is what we call the OG Benz Club. You know, what if you could actually drive the car of your dreams? More specifically, what if you were able to go to any Mercedes-Benz dealership of your choice and choose a black Mercedes, and you know what? Have Organo Gold pay the car note for you. That's exactly what Organo Gold has put into our compensation plan. When you achieve the Sapphire level, which is only $14,000 in total revenue through your entire team, these are not personal sales, this is through your entire team, you can now receive a car bonus of up to $400 per month. When you become a Ruby, $600 a month, Emerald, $800, and as a Diamond and Organo Gold, $1,000 towards a Mercedes-Benz of your choice. You know what? We always have to go back and take care of the elites, and we've done it as well. When you achieve the rank of Black Diamond in Organo Gold will actually pay you $3,000 per month towards our exotic car program, more specifically, our Ferrari and Lamborghini program. Can you imagine yourself right now driving your Mercedes-Benz or driving your Lamborghini or driving a Ferrari? All of those cars that you thought about when you were a kid, Organo Gold has allowed you now through your production to go out and achieve your dreams, and you can do it here with Organo Gold. When you look at Organo Gold, When you look at our product, when you look at our system, you look at leadership, we've got one of the most complete packages for success that's designed for you. People from all over the world of all different types of backgrounds have succeeded in OrganoGold. People who are blue-collar workers. We even have no-collar workers, white-collar workers as well. We've got professional athletes and pastors. We've got people from all different types of nations, different religions, different races. We believe that we've got an organization and a company, an opportunity that's designed for anybody who still have dreams and goals. As a matter of fact, instead of hearing it from me, I'd like for you to hear from some of these people.
My name is Jeff Giammalva. I live the #1 lifestyle in the world.
My name is Lisa Giammalva, and I live the #1 lifestyle in the world.
You know what I love about our business is when we want to do something, we can do it. We do a lot of things that are very spontaneous, which before everything had to be planned.
And that's what's so beautiful about OrganoGold is it just really gives you this amazing lifestyle that most people could only dream of. We live in Orange County. We live in a beautiful home on the golf course. Time freedom is a big benefit to this business. Our income is not tied to trading hours for dollars. I could go and spend the day with my daughters and not feel guilty about going to lunch, shopping.
If I had to tell you what OrganoGold means to us, really, it's brought our family closer together. I used to work 14-hour days, 6 days a week. When I came home, I was exhausted. Here, I'm with my family every moment of every day. Our system works. We have 4 steps, 4 questions, and if people follow it, it's a proven system for success.
I've never seen a distributor be successful within OrganoGold if they didn't free fall into the system.
The part that we love is watching somebody grow and not believing they could ever get there, but then get there. That's got to be the most rewarding part to our business. You know, most people work their whole life and their birthday is the biggest thing in the world because it's one day to celebrate. We celebrate every day.
That's what I love about this business is it's improving upon yourself so that you're always doing your best. The more you enjoy your life, the more success you will have. It's really a business about empowerment and personally challenging yourself, and this business has given us the vehicle to do that.
OrganoGold gave me a vision to dream again.
I don't feel as though this is a job, it's a lifestyle. And so we live a lifestyle incorporating OrganoGold into it. It's who we are.
We are Jeff and Lisa Giammalva. We live the #1 lifestyle in the world, and you can too.